Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2019 Chevy Impala. Now, Apple Chevy is offering all of its customers the option between 12% off all new 2019 Impalas or 0% financing for 72 months. Now, when it comes to this specific Impala, it is an LT Midnight Edition model that comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine. This vehicle does come custom with your black Chevy decals and 18-inch painted alloy wheels. Now, when we take a look inside of this vehicle, you can see that it does have a mixture between leather and cloth seating with a relatively large back seat. It does have heated seating on both sides. It has a Chevy MyLink radio, a heated steering wheel, and even cruise control. This is Johnny at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.